Hello students, let us start to solve the questions which are remaining in the previous video. The question number 11, because up to question number 10th we have solved. Question number 11 is about a TV tower which is stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From the point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree, and from the another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. So figure is given for this question. So let us start solving. So this is question number 11. Figure is given, so draw the figure. It is like this: A, B, C, D, 30 degree and 60 degree. We have to find the width of the canal. Find the height of tower. This is H, and this is the width of canal. This is X. Let us this Y. So we have to find this value. So question is like this: this is the tower, and there are so from this point angle of elevation is 30 degree, and from this point angle of elevation is 60 degree. Let us solve straight away. In right triangle ABC, AB upon BC equal to tan 60 degree. So AB, but before that we have to write what is this X and what is this Y, what is this H. Hoping that you can write those things. So straight away I am solving the question. So this will be AB upon BC, already written. So AB is H, BC is Y, and this one is tan 60. The value of tan 60 is √3. Now look, H equal to Y √3. This is equation number first. And in the next triangle, in triangle ABD, obviously it is also a right triangle. So in ABD, AB upon BD equal to tan 30 degree, H upon X plus Y equal to 1 by √3. So this is H √3 equal to X plus Y. So right from equation 1 and 2, we have to find out either the value of H, X or Y, anyone. So from 1 and 2, H equal to Y √3. So at the place of H we can write Y √3 equal to X plus Y. So this is 3Y and this is X plus Y. One more information is given. This length is of 20 meter. This length is of 20 meter, and if it is 20 meter, so let us have this at the place of X, where we have written X, we have to write there 20. So H √3 equal to 20 plus Y. Okay, so now this will be 3Y minus Y equal to 20. So 2Y equal to 20, Y equal to 20 by 2, that is 10. The value of y is 10, and now we have to find out the value of h. Okay, from equation 1, and from equation 1 just write h equal to y root 3, and we are having the y equal to 10, so this is 10 root 3. So now we get two things which were required in the question, so we can write here therefore width of the canal equal to y, and y equal to 10 meter, height of the tower, and that was h, and h equal to 10 root 3. So this is the solution of question number 11. Now the question number 12. Question number 12 is from the top of a 7-meter high building. A building is there which is 7 meter high. So let us draw a building of height 7 meter. A building is 7 meter high. So this is the building which is 7 meter height. This is the ground. After this question is the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree, and from here a cable tower is also there. So from the top of 7 meter high building, just draw like this, it will be more better. This is 7 meter high building, and from the top of this building angle of elevation is there like this. If from the top of a 7 meter high building, angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. This angle is of 60 degree, and angle of depression of its foot, angle from here to here, this angle is of 45 degree. Angle of depression is determine the height of tower. So we have to find out this height. This length and this length, this height and this height will be same, so it is 7 also. It is not known, so it will be h. Let us assume this CD is x as well as BE is also x. So this is question number 12. We will write here let AC is the tower, BE is the building, equal to 7 meter. Height of this building is 7 meter, and we are having few angles. Angle AEB equal to 60 degree, and angle ECD equal to 45 degree. Now the solution is there. So let us solve this at first in this triangle and in that triangle. So right here in the right triangle EDC, just write ED by DC equal to ED by DC. This is perpendicular, this is the base. So P by B, you may write here 10 45 degree. The length of ED is 7 and DC is not known, so it is x. 10 45 is 1, so x equal to 7. This is equation number first. Similarly, we will take the next equation by taking the next triangle, and that triangle will be AEB. So in triangle AEB, just write here AB upon BE. This is AB, this is BE. AB upon BE equal to 10 60 degree. The length of AB is h, B is x, 10 60 is root 3. So h equal to x root 3. This is equation number 2. Right from equation first and second, we will try to get the value of h. So just write here from equation 1 and 2. H equal to x root 3. So at the place of x we can write here 7. So the h is 7 root 3. We have the value of h, but we need to get the value of the tower. So the height of tower equal to h plus 7, and this is 7 root 3 plus 7. Just take 7 as common, and this is the remaining thing, and it will be the answer. So question number 12. Let us see question number 13 also. In question number 13, it is given as observed from the top of 75-meter high lighthouse. So a lighthouse is there. So let us draw the lighthouse at first. So lighthouse is the vertical like this. This is the lighthouse. And question is, as observed from the 75-meter high lighthouse, this height is 75 meter, and we have to observe from this point, from the top of the lighthouse. Angle of depression of two ships are 30 and 45. Angle of depression is there. Depression will be like this. Two ships. Angle of depression will be drawn in this way. This angle and this angle. So angle of depressions are 30 and 45. This angle is 30 degree. This will be 45 degree. Right? This angle will come from here. 30 and 45. The question is to find the distance between the two ships. Distance between the ships will be this distance, CD. So let us assume this distance as x and this one is as y. And let us assume here, let AB is the tower equal to 75 meters. We have assumed the AB as tower and the length is given 75. Also, distance, assume distance DC equal to x and BC equal to y. Angle, this angle, let us have here MAD equal to angle ADC equal to MAD. This angle MAD 30 degree and ADC 30 degree. MAC equal to ACB. These are 45 degree. Why these are equal? Because they are the alternate angle. Okay. Now in triangles. In right triangle ABC, just write AB by BC. In this triangle, this is the perpendicular, this is the base, so P by B, we will write 10 45 degree. AB is 75, BC is Y, and this one is 1. So Y equal to 75. This is equation number first. Now in the bigger triangle, in right triangle ABD, we may write AB upon BD equal to 10 30 degree. AB is 75. This is x plus y. 10 30 is 1 by root 3. So x plus y equal to 75 root 3, equation number 2. By taking the equations first and second, we can write here value of y is 75. So put here at the place of y 75. the value of x is take the 75 as common and it will gives you this length. So the distance between, as required in the question, distance between the sheep, distance between ships equal to 75 root 3 minus 1 meter. And this is all for today. Thank you.